This re/max distinctive property video is presented by Phillip Gore. Cozy 2-bedroom and 2-bath home nestled in a country setting. Relax on the front porch and enjoy the view of a beautiful, active horse farm. Freshly painted and ready to move in. Hardwoods in main living area, tile in eat-in kitchen, laundry, and baths. Carpet in bedrooms. Only 5 minutes to shopping and restaurants, but with real country charm. Pets are case-by-case basis. No Section 8. Security deposit is $1,200, application fee is $75 per applicant. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Gore at 256-882-2223.